You watching NoGlowCow.com.
I'm like so hungry. I'm gonna make some fried dumplings. Now the way I make it is, I get some flour, add some salt, and then, of course, this is the baking powder, so it can rise. Sprinkle a little, mix it in a bit. That's gonna take some time. Problem is when you're hungry, you know, a little difficult. So I put a little more, sprinkle a little bit, That might be enough. You just mix it in. Okay. So I think we're about right. And the same thing too, we add a little salt to the dough. I kinda added that before, sorry. Now, we add some water so we can begin to knead the dough. So, add water, stir it around a bit. Some more. Oh, shucks. I think we add a little. Hang on. Don't want to add too much water. I think we might have got a little too much water in there. Let's see. Stir our dough. Maybe. Okay. Whoops. And just stir it around, and you can see it's coming doughy there. And now it's time for some handiwork. So, all right. Once we get our dough a little bit thick, then we can get our hands in there, make it the way we like. Yeah, I think it's about time. Now, of course, we may need some more flour. In case you add too much water, just keep your flour handy, that's all. Just add a little more flour to kind of fix things. Knead your dough there a little bit. Bring it together. When your dough gets about, well, doughy, like this, where you can kind of knead it, and it's not too sticky, then you know you're ready. Alright, so next step, we get our frying pot with some oil. Add ourselves some oil there in our pot. And now this fire, we don't want too high. We want it kind of low. Not too much fire. Okay. So now we take a piece of a dough, small, and just like a little ball, small, and there we go. That is our dumpling. Just continue. That's our dumpling. We just fill up the pot. Okay, so once you get them in, you let them fry a little bit. Cuando es en cocinando, para 10 minutes until poco negro. So we let them fry until they begin to get a little brown. Then we turn them over and we continue. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay, see? Nice and brown. That's how we like them. So we just turn them over as they're a bit brown. Turn them over. And get the other side in. Now, you want a little room because as they cook, they expand. So with a little room, you'll feel it tighten up a little bit as they expand. Just spin them. Okay, spin them. Spin them. And I think our fire might be a little too high, so we're just gonna turn it down a tad. Just a little bit. Okay, so now we get the other side to be nice and brown like this, and then we After that, we can kind of flip on the edges a little bit to make sure we get them cooked out right, and we should be good to go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, make sure we don't burn them. Okay, so we just turn them on, okay. So we can turn them halfway to get the half sides in, halfway. Depending on how much oil you have in the pot, the sides don't get done that well. So you want it to stand on the side like that so you can get the sides a little bit. You want it like on the side like that, like a little like that, so it can get the sides going. And then you get the other side like that. See how that side is brown, and that's the idea. All right, come on, stay on the side, dumpling. Stubborn dumpling. All right. Well, we know this one's good, right? Because we got both sides in this one. Okay, so that one's good. So I'm gonna just drop a new one in there. You might be good because we got one. Yeah, we got. That's enough. Okay, you're burning. We black. Okay, and you. Might as well. You burnt up already. All right, so maybe let's see you on one of the sides a little bit. Okay. Now I just drop the other two. You and your friend. Voila. Dumpling friend. Okay. Good. You don't have to be too burned, because then it's you're gonna lose your teeth trying to eat them. All right. So let's see what we got. Voila. Half a dumpling. Yes. Go. Voila. So it's my dumpling, rotisserie chicken, and it's for dinner. See. Delicioso.